that's why in any domestic violence case here in California, if the police come to a scene of a domestic disturbance, somebody's going to jail. And unfortunately, it happened to be you. And that's why you're watching this video. So now you're stressed out, you don't know what to do, and the number one thing you need to do, and remember, don't ever talk to the police, don't ever try to give your side of the story, but if you're watching this video, it's probably already too late. Hopefully you didn't make a statement. If you did, you did. There's nothing we can do about it, but just for next time, don't ever talk to the police. You need to get an attorney on board right away. Why? Because time is of the essence in a San Diego domestic violence case. Why? Because what we need to do is we need to get in contact with the San Diego Police Department, the detective that's going to be assigned to the case. Because typically what happens is after a few days of your arrest, a detective gets assigned the case. The detective is going to do a follow-up. The detective is then going to call the alleged victim in the case and see what's going on. Well, Dodd, they don't want prosecution. My wife and my husband, they don't want prosecution. I get that all the time, and I get it. The problem is, just because your significant other, your husband, wife, spouse, don't want prosecution, that doesn't mean that the DA or the city attorney are automatically just not going to file charges. That's just one factor for the DA to consider, is the fact that they don't want charges to be filed. Just one factor to consider. So what we need to do is we need to get in contact with the San Diego Police Department, the detective assigned to your case, to try to convince them not to even send the case to the DA. If we can do that, it's called an in-house reject. The case is done, case is dismissed.